In this video, I will show you how you can add home button in the Google Chrome. By default, it should be on the left side of the address bar. Here you can see the mouse. To enable the home button, what you have to do is go to the three dots, click on that and go to the settings. Under the appearance, you need to click on the appearance. Here you can see that by default the show home button is disabled. Click on that the slider to move the right side to enable the home button. Here now you can see that on the upper side of the address bar on the left side you can see the home button is added here. If you want to add the home button under a specific page like Google, you just need to enter the address bar, click on enter and close it. Now you can see that, for example, if I open any website, now click on the home button. Now you can see that when you click on the home button, you will be redirected to Google homepage. I hope you like the video. See you till the next time. Thanks for watching.